We are gathered here today to bear witness to the signing into law of the National Health Insurance Bill, which at the stroke of the pen is about to become an act of parliament. This is clearly a pivotal moment in the transformation of our country and, in fact, in the history of our country. It is a milestone in South Africa's ongoing quest for a much better, just society. This transformational healthcare initiative in many ways gives further impetus and effect to our constitutional commitment to progressively realize access to healthcare services for all its citizens. In its essence, the National Health Insurance is a commitment to eradicate the stark inequalities that have long determined who receives in our country, who receives adequate health care, and who suffers from neglect. The provision of health care in this country is currently fragmented. It is unsuitable and it is wholly unacceptable. The public sector serves a large majority of the population but faces budget constraints. The private sector serves a fraction of society at a far higher cost without a proportional improvement in health outcomes. Now, addressing this imbalance requires a radical reimagining of resource allocation and a steadfast commitment to universal health care, a commitment we made to the United Nations. And let it be clear that universal health care is a global initiative in many ways, where a number of countries are moving towards universal health care, and we as a country have made a global commitment that we are going to have universal health care. So those who are trying to hold us back to a fragmented system are completely out of line with the global vision that has been set, which we are a part of. Remembering that South Africa is part of the global community. So we are not mad. We are not outliers. We are very much in line with what is happening in the global community. I hereby, in terms of Section 84.2, read with Section 79.1 of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, 1996, assent to the National Health Insurance Act of 2023, Act number 20, and sign the English text thereof, given under my hand at Pretoria on this day, 2024. So I sign where it's written President. I then sign where the act has to be assented to.